Proper window care requires so much more than periodically wiping the panes of usual smudges and spots. And it's not just about aesthetics. Your new SoftLite windows are an investment, which means you want to make sure they last as long as possible and remain looking brand new. The best way to do that is with adequate care and maintenance. Although SoftLite vinyl windows and doors are incredibly low maintenance in comparison to other materials, they still require minor upkeep and cleaning. So we'll start with the basics. Most importantly, never wash windows with high-pressure spray guns or hoses. This can void your warranty and cause leaks, as non-impact windows are not built to withstand that pressure. To remove most common built-up grime, wiping your window frames with a solution of dish detergent and water is usually effective. Always use a soft cloth or soft bristled brush to clean sashes and frames. Using oil-based lubricants, bleach, aggressive solvents, or abrasive tools can damage your window's components or void its warranty. As for the glass, use your favorite glass cleaner and a soft cloth or paper towel for both the inside and outside of the windows. Luckily, with many SoftLite windows, accessing the outside of your windows from inside the house is a breeze. Be sure to check out the comprehensive care and maintenance guide on the resources page of our website for more detailed instructions for cleaning specific stains and the proper way to clean each type of window. Regular cleaning and maintenance should keep your windows looking their best for years. Another good tip is to keep your windows locked when they're closed. Not only does this simple task help with air infiltration, it also keeps windows operating properly and your home secure. Remember that all SoftLite windows come with an industry-leading warranty. Don't hesitate to reach out to our customer service professionals if you have any questions on the care and maintenance of your windows.